Okay. So, oh, I'm sitting on my lamp. Oh, winter's coming up soon, guys. That means snowboarding videos. But I don't really have a waterproof. Oh, there's definitely wind noises right now. But anyways, okay. Oh my god. So yeah, and I don't have a waterproof camera to film all of the snowboard videos. So it would be like just vlogs the whole entire time and like little short clips. I definitely would be a lot better this year because I have the iPod. I have my iPod now. But yeah, so it's been a long time of me saving up my money. So all I do is count racks. Hey. So yeah, so I'm gonna go buy my GoPro, and the price actually might have dropped of it due to the Hero 6s coming out previous, like the last few weeks. So yeah, I'm hoping it did drop. Yes. Boom. That means make more bank. So yeah, it's time to go get it right now. So here she is. I got it. So yeah, we're just gonna open it up right now. Just take this off. You'll find a session. I hope this isn't in the way. I'll just put that up. Oh. Pull tab. Spicy. This. Oh, I see it. I see it. I see it. Yeah. What? Yeah. Just on the side. This box. What's in here? Oh, head strap. We'll just go ahead, peel this off. Peel the elastics off. There we go. I got a head strap. So we'll put this off to the side. What else is in here? This. Oh, this is a thing that slides on just like that. Charging cord. This thing. I'm just gonna. There's just the case. Oh man. SD card. And then one of these twist tabs. And a sticky thing. And then let's say thingy. And then here's my favorite part of it all. This. So yeah, I'm gonna charge the battery up right now, try to get it super charged, and I'll be back to you guys. I'm recording right now, and I don't even touch my screen. Look at this. Buddha.
How did they draft this year, like last year in the...
Disclaimer, it's absolutely freezing out right now. I swear. Oh, my hands are. We're in the hell bomb right now. I don't want to bike back up, so we're just gonna turn around. Oh, it's absolutely freezing out today. I forgot my gloves in my garage. Oh, we're gonna get a few double pegs in. Yeah. 5. I haven't done this in so long. I couldn't miss the ledges how long it's been. We're just in a like front, whatever that's called, and then we go like this. I've been recording for 2 minutes and 35 seconds. That one is not that bad, but I gave it too aggressive of a bail. Comment down below what mounts I should get. Okay. See, this is the park where I basically learned how to double peg. Whatever that was. That bench I actually like a lot, because it seems really low. I don't like that at all, actually. I like to take all this sand. Like, I have to go through all this sand. Well, I was gonna talk no-hander there, but my hands, like, look at that. They're like peeling and stuff. Yeah. Which really does suck. Oh, I'm only gonna start heading back to the house right now. I'm gonna do a really fun trick. It's like nollie off the curb. It's really fun. Nollie off the curb, and then we're gonna bump jump up it. Nollie off. There we go. See. This is like the day I got my pegs. This is where I wanted to come, but I was too afraid of getting kicked out because it's a super like residential thing, and I'm pretty sure they have cameras and stuff in there, so I didn't want to get kicked out. So I'm just like, I'm gonna chill. What way should I go back? I'm already in this way. Should I sketch? You ate him? You ate? I know it's home. You ate. That was a really hard bell. That's when you try to show off and scare people. Fuck. that guy's a freak. I was gonna go behind him and then he slams on the brake. Freak. That's just a bike ride I do on a daily basis. So yeah, there we go. So guys, that was the GoPro unboxing and first usage. So yeah, comment down below what mounts you would like me to get for my GoPro, especially for snowboarding and BMX. Snowboarding and BMXing. I have the chest mount, head mount, this thing like clips onto your hat, and then and then it screws on. And then I got just like another sticky mount. This one's for my snowboard helmet though. And then I have one of these, and then I got this mount. It seems pretty great. So yeah, I also kind of figured out somewhat how to change it to wide, fisheye, medium, small, so comment down below if you guys want me to just see, if you guys want more GoPro vlogs, and, not vlogs, but, actually, comment down below if you guys want me to do an all GoPro vlog, just the GoPro, nothing else, see how it looks, and, I can also put it in 4K if you guys want me to, although then it won't take a really long time to upload, but I don't care, I know whatever you guys want, so yeah. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Peace out. I'll catch you guys in the next one. So peace out, guys.